Hello and welcome to this quick video tutorial which explains how to use our self-service machine at the Havering Campus Library. The machine is situated by the help desk in the library next to our green group study booth. It can be used to issue and return items as well as check your library account. On the right, you'll see the machine itself with a touch screen and scanner, and on the left you'll see the returns book box, which is where you'll drop your returned items. There are three options on the touch screen: borrow, return and my account. This video will demonstrate how to use these three options. So first of all, borrowing. Press borrow on the screen. You will see this message on the screen telling you to scan your card. Place your card so that the red beam passes over the barcode. Then place the items you want to borrow on the shelf. The machine will recognise all of the books at once, so there's no need to do them individually. You can also see the due dates of the items to the right of the screen, but remember, all items automatically renew unless somebody else places a hold on them. Press done and then print receipt for your records. So let's talk about how to use the machine to return items. On the touch screen, press return. Place your items on the scanner and you'll see that the machine recognises them all at once. There's no need to scan your ID card when returning items. Press done and then print receipt for your records. Drop the books through the slot in the returns book box. Lastly, let's look at how to check our library account. Press My Account on the screen. Scan your ID card, passing the red beam over the barcode. On the screen, it will show your account information, including books that you have on hold, on loan, that are overdue, or any fines you may have accrued. You can also print out a receipt from this screen, and it will give you an account summary and contact information for the library. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. For more information and assistance using the machine, please ask our members of staff at the Library Help Desk, open 8:30 till 5 daily.